Hello guys, I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. I'm back with another great video. What's up, peeps family? I hope you're good and you are just doing fine. This is Joseph Moshai, the trader. Uh, Now I'd like to talk about one of our strategy that is called top-down analysis. When we come up and say this is a top-down analysis, when you just want to have a strategy, you only want to know the direction of the market. Once you know that the direction of the market, then you can be able to identify uh, the conditions, and then the entry, and then the target. So this is Audi USD. As you can see, it came, and then you can be able to see that it has been breaking these lows. It has been breaking all these laws. So now, if you want to trade this kind of a pair, what you need to do is that you need to know the market structure, the direction. The market goes lower low, then lower high, and then when it's making the lower high, we are going to be looking the end of the lower highs. We shall be looking the end of the lower highs and the end of these lower highs here. So first thing is that we are looking at the 1 hour chart. So now when the market moves down, already we know that now the market has already broken the structure, so it means that we are going down. And when the market is going to make a lower high, that is when we switch on to the lower time frame. For me, I like the 5 minutes. So when you go to the 5 minutes, you can be able to see that we want to know the end of the lower high, and that is when we say that it's a top-down analysis. In 4 hours we are going lower low, and then when we are going to form now the lower highs here, that is when we shall be looking for an entry. As you already know that there is two types of traders. There is a breakout trader and a retest trader. In this case, we are going to look for the lows. This is the low. The market has been going high, high, high lows, high, high, high lows. And from this point, that is when the market has broken the structure. The market has broken the structure at this area. You see? So when we break this structure, so those are the conditions that we want to see. Market going up, and then pushing up, and then coming and breaking the structure. Then we enter here with a breakout. A breakout candle is like this candle that closes, cross and close. I mean, in Swahili language is hii candle ipite ile hii support alafu ifunge chini yake. That is when we are going to enter the market. Now the market goes down, then you can be able to look for high high, high lows, then high high, high lows, and from this point you can be able to see that the market broke the structure in here. Even here the market broke the structure because we are going up. That is what we could have seen for the first time here. And then this is where we would be entering the market at this area. The conditions is the market to break and to close below this support, and then we sell here after this candle closes, and then you pull the stop loss just above it there, and you can be able to see that the stop loss was hit here, you see. Then you wait for another breakout. You wait for another breakout, and the next breakout is this one. We are going high, 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 low, high, high, and then we break here. Then when we break here, then you can be able to see that we will be selling here, and then we are going to be putting we put the stop loss just above there. It's obvious good that you make once, if the stop loss is here, then it's good that you give it some distance so that it might not be hit by the stop loss hand, you see. Nevertheless, if we break again here, you see, in this area, you see there is a very sharp movement. This is one of the conditions I like to see, a sharp movement, then break the structure. You see, this is sharp movement. It pushes the buyers inside the market. Then they came there. They take all the stops here. Then the market collapses down. That is what we call top-down analysis. So we are going on a maybe 1 hour, and then you'll be looking for any kind of a chart, maybe that is going, and then you enter the market. For instance, this market here, I'll be able to see this one. It's a card JPY. Then I enter this trade. So then after entering that trade, then you can be able to see this market came and broke the structure, then it went up. So one thing that you're going to realize is that when the market went, you can be able to see here, this where I was entering this market, but unfortunately it kicked me out again. This was the entry again. If you put the line chart there, that line chart, can be able to see that the market was going up, then breaking the structure. But you can be able to see I wasn't I wasn't patient. So this business need to be patient, and you can be able to see from this point, that is when I was entering the trades inside here, and then the stop loss at least above there. Then again, you can be able to see this is now the lower low, then lower high, lower low, then this movement again, and then the market came and then it broke the structure here. So it's the candle that broke the structure, this one, and then we'll be entering this area. You can be able to see by swinging, able to see we have just gone a very good swing here. So that's how it is. So the point to note is that top-down analysis, although I usually use it with Fibonacci, I usually use it, but this one, for to have a very nice entry and sharp entries, you really need to have the gut to enter. Sometimes it can go well without that drawdown inside here, and you can maybe at that kind of a knowledge, maybe you can be able to fine tune, and you can be able at least to pull like a Fibo, and then when the market touches maybe like 50% value here, or even you can be able to identify the supply areas, so in those supply areas you can be able to anticipate, and then you can be able to look for entry when the market breaks the structure, on a lower time frame. So this is one of the very good trading opportunity that you can be able to have, and you can be able at least to make a good fortune with the forex. So that's for today. Have a very nice day. Cheers. Have a very wonderful time. See you next. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, Peeps family. See you next. Boom, and I'm out.